last sump pump you'll ever need to buy. There are many things in life which just simply happen, but could well have been prevented if proper steps had been taken beforehand. That old submersible sump pump in the basement is a case in point. It is a kind of insurance against flooding. There are two types of sump pumps available today. The submersible sump pump design typically found at your local hardware store, and the Tramco vertical tower design. The vertical tower sump pump, designed by Tramco, is far superior and provides cost-effective insurance against basement flooding. It is the excellence of its design which sets the Tramco sump pump apart from the competition in dependability and performance. Unlike the submersible pump, the motor and switch are placed above the water level. 80% of submersible sump pump failures are directly related to motor or switch failure because you have electricity and water together. The Tramco sump pump solves the problem of motor and switch failure by placing both the motor and switch above the sump basin, thereby preventing water from coming in contact with the motor and switching mechanism. The components which remain in the water are designed to last well over 30 years. The motor, rated at half horsepower, has been specifically designed with longevity in mind and provides twice the starting torque of any other pump. This torque feature prevents pump failure at startup due to debris in the sump basin and ensures immediate operation after seasonal periods of non-use. All metal construction stainless steel non-corrosive float and no plastic parts puts the Tramco sump pump in a class above all others. You can put your trust in a Tramco sump pump because when it comes to dependability, you can't beat a Tramco to keep your basement free from flooding. That means performance, and the vertical tower design of a Tramco really does the job. With a 2-inch pipe delivering over 100 gallons a minute of outflow capacity, it is far superior to submersible pumps, which are rated at only 25 to 40 gallons per minute. Installation of the Tramco sump pump is easy. Professionally installed by your local plumbing contractor, the Tramco Tower Sump Pump will be operational in no time. And with the optional accessory Power Pack battery system, you are insured against general power failure, thereby providing basement flooding insurance for many years to come. The Tramco Tower, quality you can count on, performance and dependability. It's the last sump pump you're ever going to buy.